Alright, so I'm going to be showing you how to construct a cube in isometric projection. Right? So this is the second part of the isometric projection video. So the cube that we're going to construct is going to have sides of 50 mm, because you know that a cube is made up of all of the sides are equal in a cube, right? You should know that by now. So the first thing you're going to do is draw a baseline, right? And after you draw your baseline, you can draw your baseline at any length. After that, you're going to have to measure a 90-degree angle on your baseline, right? Since I don't have my protractor, I'm going to be using my set square by setting this in line with my baseline and then drawing my 90-degree angle. And then using the same set square again, right? This is the 60-degree set square. I can use it to draw my 30-degree angles. If you can remember from the first video, right? You have to have 30-degree angles going at all two sides of the baseline. So using your protractor or your set square, I advise you to use a protractor because this what I'm doing is wrong, but the only reason why I'm doing this is because I don't have a protractor, right? This what I'm doing can lead to inaccuracy and it can lead to construction being incorrect. But since I don't have a protractor, I don't have a choice. Alright, so you draw your 30-degree angles. And after you have your 30-degree angles, right? Remember, one of the sides of the cube is 50 mm. So you're going to open to 50 mm on your compass. And when you open to 50 mm, from that point there, you're going to mark the 50 mm on both of the 30-degree angles, right? So you should have two sides of the cube there. Now how are we going to have the rest of the sides of the cube? Using the same 50 mm, you're also going to mark it off on the 90-degree angle that you draw, right? The line that is 90 degrees towards the baseline, right? So that's the third side of the cube. Now, in order to get the other sides, we have to slide this 30-degree angle up to this 50 mm measurement, and we have to do the same thing here as well. Slide this 30-degree angle up to this 50 mm measurement. So by using your set square and ruler, right? If you can just see how my set square and ruler is set. Right? I'm just going to slide my set square up to the 50 mm measurement. Right? Then I can draw my line. So using the same step again, I can repeat this, right? On the other side, right? You can slide your set square to get the other side of the cube. And now that you have this side and this side, the other step would be to mark off the same measurement for the side of the cube, which is 50 mm. So using this point here at the top, you can mark off your 50 mm measurement, right? And notice how I'm drawing everything lightly, right? The reason why I'm drawing everything lightly is so that when I have the finished construction, I can deepen the cube to make it look more important, right? Or to make it look better. So now that's just part of the cube completed. We still have to get the top here, right? We have the front and we have the end or the side, but the top is not complete. So how do you complete the top? Basically the same thing that you did just now. You have to slide the sides. So I'm going to set my set square parallel to this side. Alright, to just show you what it looks like. Then I'm going to slide it to this end here to draw another side of the cube. Right? Then, to finally complete the cube, set the set square parallel to this side and you slide it to this end here. And that is the cube completed, right? You can see the 30-degree angles of the bottom, and you can also see the 3 isometric axes, right? You have the vertical axis, right, which is that. You have the right receding axis and you have the left receding axis. So what I can do now is just deepen the cube so that it looks more clear, right? So that's the reason why I do the construction lightly before I deepen the cube. So that is the cube after I've deepened the lines, and you're going to notice that I did not deepen this line here because that line would not show, right? It would be behind the cube, and because it would be behind the cube, you would not see that line. So you let it remain as a light line, right? It would be a hidden line. At no cost, you do not draw broken lines to show that it is hidden, right? That is a no-no, and in the future it can make you lose marks.